Hi everyone, I'm Marshelle, and today I want to talk you through 10 steps to take your book from conception to completion. Let's dive right in. I don't want to waste any time because I get this question a lot. I believe everyone should write a book, and let's talk about what that looked like for you. You have some options to publish a book. First, traditional publishing. Today is not worth it, honestly, and is not cost effective. The publisher make every decision for you, you do all the work, and the profits are low. The only perk is that your book will be sitting on the bookshelf. But that is not important when the book can be shipped out the same day or the next day. This would be great if you're famous, have your own show, or have over 1 million social media followers. People will buy it just because you are you, no matter if it's good or not. And then you have internet publishing. So that's when you let a company publish a book for you. You receive up to 40 to 50% of the profits. You pay about 5,000 to 10,000 to publish the book for you. I can also help you with that because I am an author consultant. So I could help you with that as well. So just let me know. Next is my favorite, which is self publishing. And this is the way to go because it's not hard as you think. Yes, you do all the work, but I am teaching other authors or new authors how to self publish in my new workshop. So, the benefits of self publishing are you have control, and every decision you get to make it, and you receive 100% of the profits. You can write about whatever you want and publish it whenever you want. It's your book. It offers creative control, faster publishing times, higher royalty rates, and the ability to reach a global audience. Join my workshop to learn how to leverage these advantages effectively, okay? Today, we're talking about 10 steps to write, create, and self publish your best selling book. Yay! You're going to be an author. I'm so happy for you. Yes, you are going to be an author. Step number one, get started. I know that seems obvious, but stop talking and thinking about it. Just do the thing. Just do it. Go ahead, grab that pen or tablet. Yes, just start. You are ready to begin writing. Here are some questions to guide you in what to write. What is your niche? Who are you writing to? Clarify your book idea and define your target audience. What is the concept of your book or what is your topic? Why are you writing this book? What are your experiences? Who do you want to help? What is your vision for the book? Pick one thing or concept to help others. Don't try to solve all the world's problems in one book, okay? Just one. Just one. So, conduct thorough research to support your book concept. So, is your audience women age 40 to 50? Men age 20 to 30? What problem are you going to be solving? Think about it, challenge yourself. You got this. Can you help someone with a challenge that you just had? Be specific. It helps. You will identify your voice. Stay focused on writing to that one person. Your audience is waiting for you and needs your support. Number 2, create a detailed outline to organize your book's content. So while you're creating your outline, you may have already thought about what your title will be or your subtitle. You don't know this if you don't know this at this time, it's totally okay. You have time to think about it. You can also circle back around to it later. Take time to write ideas down in your notes and continue thinking about the title. In your outline, each point can be a chapter. How many chapters will your book have? You can begin by sharing a story, a quote, or thought, and then make 3 to 5 points and provide some action steps. Chapters can be short or as long as you need it to be. It can even be one sentence if that's what it calls for. Remember, you are telling the story. You can tell it however you like. It's great when chapters can be a standalone book, but it don't have to be written in chronological order. Some people might only read one chapter or a couple chapters, depends on how long your book is. Step 3, create a writing schedule. Start writing your first draft, allowing your creativity to flow. Set your writing time and be consistent. Aim for about 1 to 2 hours each day. Decide how long would it take you to finish your book. Will the book be finished in 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 6 months, or even 1 year? You can write your book in 30 days if you like. Trust me, I've done it. Put it all on your calendar, write it down, and stick to your schedule. If you have the flexibility, go away and set aside a week to finish it. It can be done. I think the longer it takes, the harder it gets. Be disciplined in your own time management. Schedule your day out. For example, you might want to schedule a wake up time. What time will you wake up? What time will you go to work? What time will you go to lunch? Do you want to write during lunchtime? Do you plan to write after work? What time is dinner and family time? What time is bedtime? The more organized you are, the faster you can complete this task. Go ahead and decide what works for your schedule and put it on your calendar. You can also write it on your vision board. Edit and revise your draft to improve clarity and coherence. Step number 4, build your following. You need someone to sell your book to, right? Hopefully, you have one already, but if not, just be intentional. If you don't have a following, spend time on social media. Post tips or educate others online. Collaborate with others. Ask someone to write testimonials and share it. Set up a podcast interview. Try to develop an organic following on all social media accounts. You don't want to be a jack of all social media sites and a master of none, okay? It can be overwhelming to think about all the marketing platforms and how to show up on all of them. So start with just one, master it, and then move on to the next. They all have different personalities and audience. So take time to learn how the flow goes on each one. You do not show up on TikTok the same as you show up on LinkedIn, right? You know that. Yes, you know that. Begin on your favorite one, like Facebook, and add one by one until you have a presence on all of them. Enjoy and have fun. Step number 5, share a draft book cover and tell others you are writing a book and take some pre orders. You are seeking feedback from trusted beta readers and seeing if people like your book cover. This does not have to be your final book cover, and you can make it yourself on Canva. You can also use Fiverr or reach out to me, and I can help support you. Have a pre order goal of selling 100 to 500 books. Step number 6, hire a professional editor to polish your manuscript. You are a professional, and your book is another representation of you. Yes, looking for editors can be a process. Interview 2 to 3 people. Look at their work, and you can get a referral from someone you trust. Average cost is about $5 to $8 a page. Make sure it's double spaced, 12-inch font, and Times New Roman. Do not pay over $15 a page, okay? That will be too much. Stay in your budget, so figure out what your budget is and stay in your budget. The next few steps you can do simultaneously. So step 7 through 9 can be done at the same time or interchangeably, okay? So step number 7. So it's time to design an eye-catching book cover that captures your book's essence. So you're also going to be working on finalizing as you have also told the people to work on it. So once you select the final version of your book cover, then it will be done. And this is the most important because you never get a second chance to make a first impression. Make it count. So I am in the process of updating and revamping my book cover. I am revamping my brand also. It's time. It's time. It's time. So finalize that book cover design. You should know your title and subtitle by now. Seek the best design for your book. Get some consultations. You might spend the most time here. Fiverr is a good place as well for this. Get a referral from others. Ask for unlimited revisions. You might spend between $100 and $500 on average. Write in if you need assistance. I would love to help you. Step number 8, get a proofreader. I am sure you will proofread your own book yourself, but it's also great to get someone else to proofread it too. It could be someone who is smart and did well in school that's really great with grammar. This could also lower your editing costs per page. If you have low mistakes, they will capture most of the common mistakes. Then you can send it to the editor to get a better price because there is less errors at this point. The editor will do some proofreading as well. Once it has been proofread and edited a couple times, then you have your final draft. Yay! Your final draft. Yes. Okay. Step number 9. I get excited about these things. Step number 9, you have your interior format. Interior format your book for different publishing platforms. So you have Kindle, Amazon KDP, ACX, which is for Audible. You cannot skip this step. This is crucial to having a professional book. I tried to do this myself in my first book. I wasted weeks trying to get the formatting right, but I could never get it right. So I just went ahead and hired someone. Please pay for a professional to format your book. It's worth the cost. It can be between $300 and $500, depends on who you get to do it. Then it's ready for print. The places you can go is Fiverr or you get a referral from someone else. Step number 10, order your proof. Be the first person to hold your book in your hand. You can see if it feels right, looks right, and you can check one last time and make sure there's no more errors in it before you order any copies of the book to sell. Now you are ready to publish your book. Wow. Yes. Now it's time to get to work. Market your book using social media, book signings, and promotional campaigns. Set up speaking engagement. Post on social media. Tell everyone you have a book. Get my book. Yes. Now it's time to get to work. Remember, each step is essential to make your book a success. Happy writing. You are on your way to becoming a self published author. If you need help publishing your book, grab my mini course or attend my workshop on self publishing your book. I will help you become published. I hope these steps give you the confidence to get started today. I will see you in my next video. Click down below, leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. Remember, cancer won't stop me, and it shouldn't stop you either. Have a blessed day.